Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by making sure Facebook is installed and you're logged in. This avoids account conflicts. Open Clash of Clans, tap the gear icon to open settings, and verify your in-game name and level are visible so you can confirm the correct account later. Once done, locate the Facebook button inside settings. It's usually labeled Connect or Facebook. Tap it now to start the authorization prompt. Doing this first prevents accidental linking to the wrong profile and saves recovery steps. When the Facebook authorization window appears, read the permission requests and allow Clash of Clans access. This enables cloud save and friend features. If you have multiple Facebook profiles, make sure you explicitly choose the one you want. Switching accounts here links the chosen profile. After granting permissions, return to the game and watch for the in-game confirmation message or icon change indicating the link is active. If the link stalls, try toggling airplane mode briefly and retry the authorization to refresh network state. Finally, verify the connection by checking for a cloud save icon and sending a friend invite or visiting clan settings to see connected friends. This confirms synchronization. If the link fails, log out of the Facebook app, close Clash, log back into Facebook, and attempt the connection again. This clears cached tokens. If you still face an account mismatch or lost progress, gather screenshots and contact Supercell ID support promptly. One key troubleshooting tip: always ensure the Facebook account email matches your intended game account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.